Hello, it's Gary from Remap and Revive, here with this Vauxhall Vivaro 1600 twin turbo model, 2015, done 84,000 miles. The owners had the van a long time but recently had a few issues, ended up buying 2 new turbos for it. Still got issues, the garage seemed to have lost their way with it a bit, and we've been called out to do a DPF clean. The DPF is pretty full, no doubt caused by the turbo issues before they were replaced. So we're giving it a good clean out, get the pressure lowered and save the turbos. Obviously the owner, having replaced the turbos, doesn't want them damaged and have to buy yet another set. It's had new glow plugs as well and a few other bits and bobs. So hopefully for him this is the last piece of the jigsaw and the van will run properly after this and he can get it back to work.